welcome to On the House with Addi House in my house. Today's guest is Addi Lynch, and we're making caramel brownies! Step number 1 of making caramel brownies: grease the pan with Pam. So spray and wipe, and make sure you get the edges because you do not want your caramel brownies to be sticking around. Step number 2 is to preheat the oven to the correct temperature, in this case 350 degrees.
Step 3 of caramel brownies. Over low heat, melt the caramel in 1/3 cup evaporated milk in a small saucepan. Dang, this caramel looks good.
In a large mixing bowl, combine a box of German chocolate cake mix, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1/3 cup of evaporated milk, and 3/4 of a cup of butter, or in this case, coconut oil. Next, stir all of your ingredients together to form a cake-like consistency. Fifth step of making caramel brownies: put in half of the batter into the pan and spread evenly. Next, put half of the batter into the oven for 6 minutes.
Dang, this caramel looks even better than the last time.
After taking the brownies out of the oven, place an adequate amount of chocolate chips onto the brownies, and then spread the caramel evenly over the chocolate chips.
Dang, this caramel looks good.
And after that, you evenly spread the rest of the cake brownie batter on the caramel. After evenly spreading, place the brownies back into the oven for 15 to 18 minutes